Okay. What's in your bag?
What's in my bag? What's in my meal watch? My phone, my sauce, my e-card, seat number ni Kaylin, e-card ko, tsaka seat number ko.
Yes. Thank you, Barb.
Thank you.
Okay lang po.
I just have my phone, my number, I have my room key, and credit card, and lipstick. Ayan, lip liner.
What do you know about your bag?
My bag, it fits everything I need.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bakit? Okay. Actually, yung bag na Okay. May nag-bag raid sa akin kanina. So, sobrang liit na pabango. Breath mint. Hand lotion. Hand cream. Cellphone ko. Powder. Tsaka yung chain ng bag. Hindi ko alam ba't nandito pa ito. Ayun lang.
Ano daw ang sikreto para sa tiny waist?
Tiny waist. Mostly kasi genetics, pero syempre, dati na pagkain. And, ay, hala! Okay. Tiny waist. Well, actually, mahilig ako mag-gym. Tapos sa family kasi namin, malilit yung mga bewang talaga nila. And, ayun, healthy living.
Thank you.
What's in your bag?
Okay, what's in my bag? Baka magulat kayo, may kung ano-ano yun. O, di ba? Hindi ko pa mabuksan. Kaya ko to eh. Kahit ito.
Bag ko to eh.
Oo. Wala, hindi ko mabuksan. Wait lang. Kaya ko to. Wala, hindi ko mabuksan. Oo. Ito pa lang yun. Kaya nabuksan ko na po siya. Okay, I have here mint, alcohol. I can't live without alcohol. Oil water. My eye drops kasi baka mag-dry ang mata. Siyempre,
Pero pasabit. May isang pasabit na hindi na pwedeng sabihin.
Okay, sige. Para sa mga kababaihan. Siyempre, dapat may bawan tayong ano. Oh well.
Bakit? Diba?
Baka lang biglang dumating bisita natin.
Oo, diba? Ready.
At least ready.
Thank you.